Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm an accountant who helps women entrepreneurs use their financial data to make better business decisions. You can find me at www.nbkaccounting.com. Today, I'd like to discuss with you why you need to think about your business processes and workflows. But let me start with a disclaimer. I'm not an attorney and I'm not your accountant. The information I'm about to provide does not constitute legal, tax, accounting, or any other type of professional advice. Okay, so sometimes we can feel so disorganized when running our business. There's so much to do, and we wear so many hats as an entrepreneur. These include managing our marketing and social media, networking and attending industry events, managing our employees and staff, keeping up with our bookkeeping and expenses, and I haven't even mentioned doing the actual work that we do and working on our business to help it grow. And this leads us to overwhelm, and you either overwork to keep up or you freeze and you do nothing. So one of the solutions usually would be to delegate or to hire someone to help you out, but you don't know what or how to transfer that work to someone else. So what can you do? So the first thing you could do is stop, breathe, take a break and a step back and think about your business. Ask yourself, what tasks or decisions can you hand off to someone else? So if you're like most entrepreneurs, you'll say, nothing. I can't hand off anything. I need to do everything. My business is me. I have to decide X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z is too important for someone else to handle. Okay, that's how most entrepreneurs might think. But let's think of a successful, well-run business that you've worked for in the past. It could be the local grocery store or an international corporation, somewhere where the business was successful. Now ask yourself, were you good at your job? And did the fact that you worked there allow your boss extra time and space to focus on higher level tasks and business decisions? Did your boss have a good understanding of what you were working on and how that work affected the entire business? Well, the answer to these questions for a successful and well-run business is usually yes. And think about this. If the owner or founder or the CEO did everything her or himself, they would not have attained that level of success. If they didn't create the space and time to make sure all the business processes in their company aligned with their vision, they would never have succeeded. And you should know that the action of you doing your job in that business created the time and space for your employer to do just that. Okay, now, how does that apply to your own business? Well, from the largest corporation to the smallest home-based business, there are business processes that are made up of people, workflows, and tasks. All of these are there to accomplish the goals of the business. And I won't complicate things with definitions or other examples, but I'll just say that you should be aware of what you do in your business, why you do it, and how you do it. And there are steps that you follow every time you create your product or design your service. Everything from writing a blog post, filming a video, getting ready to call a client, or giving a talk at an event can be broken down into a series of tasks and threaded together into a workflow. No matter how creative or intuitive your business is, you go through some sort of method to get certain things done. And if you can map out this method or flow, you would have a nice workflow that lets you see exactly everything that you do in your business. And what can you do once you have this understanding? Well, some of the important things will become evident include the following. So you can determine how much time you're spending and if you're spending too much time on things that don't help your business grow. So if you're spending a lot of time on busy work. Another thing is that you can figure out which tasks can be done by someone else. And since you've documented everything, you can use that information to train someone and transfer the responsibility more easily. And this person will now have a nice guideline of what they're supposed to do, and you'll be able to use the same guideline to help you review that person's work. And you can see how their work affects your overall business. And another thing that you can do is you can select tasks or an entire workflow that you can automate through the use of apps or other technology in order to simplify things and leave yourself more time to think about your business and grow your business and do the tasks that are important for you in your business. And now, what if you need help with this? Well, most of my early career was spent mapping out business processes for the purpose of understanding how business works in order to audit them or to provide guidance on improving processes and cutting costs. So I believe the practice of doing this can be simplified and adapted to help small and mid-sized businesses. And if you'd like to find out more information about this and how I can help you, you could check out my website at www.nbkaccounting.com. And if you found this information helpful, please leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.